We are not the same, but we are equal. We are not from the same places, but we are here together.
We may look different, love different, even pray different.
But we can all agree.
The things that make us different actually make us better.
And while we've always celebrated diversity, we can and will do more.
Introducing the VariDiversity Council,
a team committed to raising awareness and sparking conversations.
Dedicated to educating us all and ensuring our organization continues to grow.
because we believe a point of view doesn't have to be a point of division.
And that unity doesn't mean uniformity.
Our strength comes from our diversity. It feeds our culture and makes our workspace one that elevates all people. And when we rise,
we will rise together.